Welcome. In this video, we will see how to manage Previdia compact loop in different situations. Enter in the programming menu, insert installer code 00004 at default. Click on Configuration. In the Configuration menu, click on the loop. Then on Diagnostics. In the recap page of the loop, click on Show Topology. Panel is able to draw the loop wiring. In fact, it is able to recognize that in this point there is a T-junction, and that on this detector there is something connected on the R output, for example a remote indicator. It is a real-time map. In the event of alarm or fault, devices will have a red or a yellow indication respectively. It is also possible to force map refresh by clicking on Update. By clicking on the device, it is possible to see details. In the loop diagnostic page there are other two buttons. Loop reset button can perform a reset of the loop to reassess the status. In the event of a loop open fault, it will be necessary to click this button in order to check whether or not the interruption has been cleared. Scan button starts a scan on the loop. The procedure verifies whether there are any connected devices which are not in the configuration, if devices are missing or if there are any other anomalies. The results of the scan can be viewed in the section on the right of the display. In this case the procedure found a device not in the configuration with the address 10, like if someone had connected it on the loop without acquiring it. Let's consider now different situations. In the first case, let's suppose you need to change a detector. Enter in the programming menu. Configuration. Select the loop. Click on Auto Configure button and start an update procedure. With this procedure, panel is able to recognize all changes on the loop and will provide a table showing the previously enrolled configuration on the left and the newly detected configuration on the right. Positions with no changes are in green. Changes are in white. In this case, we replaced a smoke detector with another smoke detector. They are of the same type but they have different serial number. Devices are of the same type, so the panel will leave the previous programming as the name, the zone, the options and the activations. You can use this procedure even if you want to replace devices of different type. In this case, we replaced a smoke detector with a heat detector. Type is different, so the new device will have the default programming. Press Set to write new configuration. Let's suppose now you need to add a device. We can perform again an update procedure. If you move at the end of the list, you can see that address 9 was empty, and panel found the new device. Press Set to write new configuration. In the recap table you can see the new number of devices. Click on Diagnostics. Show Topology. In the loop map you can see the new device. Even if you add the device along the loop, the map will show it in the correct position. Let's suppose now you need to remove a device. We can perform again an update procedure. Panel removed the device at address 4. Press Set to write new configuration. In the recap table you can see the new number of devices. Click on Diagnostics, Show Topology. In the loop map you can see that the device has been removed. It is also possible to perform all these procedures manually. Click on Auto Configure and select Add Change. You can select a device to replace, or an empty address to add a new device. Click on Add Change, and insert serial number of new device that must be already connected on the loop. Panel will recognize new device automatically. In the same way, it is also possible to delete a device manually. Select the device, and click Delete. Device has been removed, and the address is empty. It is also possible to replace a device without entering the programming menu. Click on System Status. Point. Select the loop, and click View. Select the device to replace, and click View. Rotate the key in order to move to level 2. Click on Actions, then click on Change. Panel asks for a superuser code 00002 at default. You can replace the device. With this procedure you can replace only devices of the same type. For example, a smoke detector with another smoke detector, a call point with another call point, and so on. Press OK at the end. New device will have same description and programming of the previous one. Thank you for watching this video on the Previdia Compact Loop Management.